Are you over 50 and wondering why dating still feels harder than it should? You are smart and experienced and you have lived. So why does it still feel confusing and disappointing and sometimes frustrating? Today I'm sharing 3 biggest dating mistakes I see people over 50 make. More importantly, how to fix them. And I promise these are fixable. If we haven't met yet, I'm Eija. I help women and men over 50 rebuild confidence and find love again in a way that feels aligned, mature, and joyful. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, dating from fear, not from self-worth. After divorce or heartbreak, many people start dating from subtle fear. What if I'm too old? What if there's no one good left for me? What if this is my last chance? And unfortunately, that energy shows. When you date from fear, you often overgive, ignore red flags, and try to impress and accept less than you deserve. So how to fix this? Shift from do they like me to do I like them? This one mindset shift changes everything. Confidence at 50 and beyond is incredibly attractive. But confidence is not pretending. It's knowing your value and not negotiating it away. Mistake number 2, carrying old baggage into new connection. This is huge and understandable. Unhealed resentment, distrust from the past, and stories like men always or women never. If you haven't processed your previous relationship fully, you will unconsciously look for proof that it will happen again. And guess what? Your brain will find it. So before expecting someone new to treat you better, make sure that you have healed what hurt you. You don't have to do it alone, but you do have to be willing. That might mean processing past instead of blaming it. Looking at your patterns honestly and giving yourself time to rebuild your confidence. Because love after 50 isn't about trying harder, it's about showing up whole. Mistake number 3, not being clear what you actually want. This might surprise many people. They often say like, I want love. But when you haven't defined what you actually want, do you want companionship, marriage, adventure, living apart together? If you're unclear, you send mixed messages. And at any age, people don't want guessing games, let alone at 50. We want clarity. So ask yourself these questions. What do you want emotionally? What do you want practically? What do you no longer will tolerate? Clarity is magnetic. And this is exactly the work I do with my private clients. We don't just tweak dating apps, we rebuild confidence, belief, and emotional clarity so dating becomes lighter, not heavier. Because love after 50 isn't about luck, it's about alignment. And if you recognized yourself in any of these mistakes, that is not failure. That is awareness. And awareness is powerful. So tell me in the comments which one hit home for you. Is it 1, 2, or 3? And if this helped you, subscribe. I share practical guidance every week for confident, joyful love after 50. You are not too old. You are not behind. And love is absolutely still possible for you. I'll hope to see you next time. Love and light. Bye.